On this video, I wanted to show you two of the recently started channel, and I'll actually show you the inside of the channel, and you can actually see how much views we actually got on this particular channel, and pretty much the revenue. Like this channel, one channel that we actually started from scratch, and another one just recently we started. It is two separate different channels. One of it is a short space channel. Another channel is a long form content channel. So you can actually see. And one channel we should be monetized very soon. So I'd say probably in a week or so. And another channel that we also started, probably it is only got like, I believe 3 or 4 videos on the channel, and we hitting some good numbers on the channel. We also getting some good views. So with the views, the revenue will also come as well, right? So let me share with you the screen so I can go deep into the channel, and I'll also explain like how I found this channel. Also, make sure to stay till the end because I wanted to give you something that you can actually literally take and get started with this amazing YouTube automation business. Okay, so let me share with you the screen so I can actually share with you the channel and inside the analytics, everything, right? So hopefully you can actually see my screen. So this channel is pretty much a short space channel that we started, and pretty much it's getting a lot of momentum. In the last 48 hours, we were just short of hitting 400,000 views on this particular channel. And in the last, I'd say on the short space channel, you need at least 10 million views in the last 90 days. So this channel total, if I look in the last 90 days, it's already got like 6.5 million views. It's already got like 5,000 subscribers, as you can see, on the channel itself, right? So once we actually get monetized, this channel will be giving us a regular income, right, on a daily basis, which is awesome. And pretty much short space channels are very easy to run. You don't need that much expense to run this channel compared to a long form content channel, but in the long run it is very profitable channel. Okay, and I personally love short space channel, especially if a beginner is wanting to start YouTube automation. I'd say first start with the shorts channel, because short channel it's easy to get results. In saying that, you gotta know like what to do from get-go. And like when I started shorts based channel, first second channel, it was complete flop. Okay, but when I started putting the strategies together and start getting viral, I knew the formula, so I applied in this channel. So that way I started getting results right from the get-go, and pretty much the subscribers are coming in the channel, views are coming in as well, and pretty much what I'm actually gaining is core audience actually coming in the channel watching that video, and it's YouTube is just kept on recommending this content to like a broad audience. Okay, so my what I'll actually say is shorts based channel is easy to get started, and you're gonna get a lot of views, especially if you wanting to get started with the shorts. And it's really awesome because like I said, you don't need that much money to get started with this shorts based channel. Okay, so let me see. So another channel that we also started is pretty much this one. This is a long form content channel, and we pretty much started, I think, uploading on the 6th of April. All right, and like you probably know by now, all the channel that I start, most of them we start with a already monetized channel. The reason I didn't start with the monetized channel on the shorts one, because like I said, I wanted to test the content first, but like once we started uploading 2 or 3 videos, we started getting traction. So I just continued with the channel, and that channel we will duplicating into many different channels. Okay, but like this is a long form content channel. I'd say, so if I actually look at the date, this is 21st of April actually making this video, but like as you can see, 1, 2, 3 videos, and just channel started getting a lot of momentum, right? So 35,000 views in the last 48 hours. total views that the channel has got in the last 28 days is 66.7k subscribers. All right, views actually. Subscribers is I'm pretty impressed with how the subscribers are actually coming in the channel, because it's hard in this particular sort of niche to get subscribers coming in fast compared to the other shorts channel that I actually shared with you. But again, we already starting to hit like $40 a day, and this number will also increase over time, right? So more subscribers, more views, which will actually give us more revenue, and so pretty much we're duplicating this channel as well. So I'm really excited to share these two channels with you. So the thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is, it's not like you're gonna be throwing like multiple video ideas and thinking like something will actually stick. You can actually try that method, but most of the time when people do this method, they end up quitting, right? Because they don't have a set of strategies that they can apply and which will actually give them results. Okay, so my thing is, when I actually start any channel, I pretty much have a strategy in place and I apply these strategies. And you can actually do the same, right? If I actually go on my YouTube channel, you'll pretty much see like the strategy that I use, okay? And actually use these same strategies time and time again, and I actually get consistent results with this sort of strategy, right? And pretty much the thing is, you have to stick to these strategies until you start getting results. Okay, so if I actually share my screen again, this is the video that you're gonna be seeing, that will actually share with you like the strategy that I follow, right? So this video that I actually did, step-by-step guide to claim 5 to 10,000 per month with YouTube automation channel. Like, this is a strategy that I normally use. However, I practice this strategy on an already monetized channel, because I know when I actually do these strategies, I will get results. And when I start applying these strategies on an already monetized channel, I start getting results and also income from applying this strategy on an already monetized channel, which means like when I start uploading videos on the channel, I know that I will start making money. So I'm not just wasting my money. I'm getting YouTube to actually pay me, and then start printing money after that, right? So pretty awesome strategy. And I highly recommend you to go and see this video, because I literally share with you the niche and what I actually do when I actually apply the same strategy on another niche, and how I start getting results. Okay, so these are the strategy that I actually use to actually blow up my channel, like from, I say, maybe 2 or 3 or even sometimes 7 videos, and I start getting results. Okay, so also let me know in the comment section what are the things you actually struggling with, and if you have want me to go over anything, any video ideas, you can leave in the comment section. And also what you're going to be doing if you actually watching this on Facebook, you can just comment saying where you're actually watching this from, and if you wanting me to go over anything in particular, you can just do that. But if you want to know about like monetized channel, because I do provide a already monetized channel to my one-on-one clients, so I'm gonna leave a link in the Facebook below. So connect to me via Facebook, send me friend request, and just comment monetized channel, and I'll share with you the monetized channel and how we actually monetizing this channel. So this is my Facebook account. You can just send me friend request and ask for a already monetized channel, so that way you don't have to wait, like you don't have to waste like your time. And even if you're gonna be making like $1, right, $1 a day, even 25 cents, 50 cents a day, that will actually give you the motivation to make more and more content. Okay, so I'll leave all the resources in the comment section and also in the description. Connect to me via Facebook and we can chat in there. Thank you so much, and my God bless you all. Bye for now. Ta-da.